YouTube is one of the core applications that you can find in any Android device that runs on official or licensed firmware. We have readers that own the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, who reported to be getting the error, YouTube keeps stopping. What this error means is that the app has crashed or keeps on crashing for some reason. Most of the time, it's just an issue with YouTube or its servers, but there are times when it's a result of a firmware problem. Hey guys, I'm Harold from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will be showing you how to fix your Galaxy S10 Plus with YouTube app that keeps crashing. First solution, clear the cache and data of YouTube app. To isolate the problem immediately, you should try resetting YouTube by clearing its cache and data. This will bring the app back to its original configuration. If it's just an issue with the app, then this procedure should be able to fix it. Here's how it's done. Go to the screen where the YouTube icon is located. Tap and hold on the YouTube icon until options show. Tap App Info. Touch Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Now, tap Clear Data and touch OK to confirm. When this procedure is finished, try opening the app and see if it still crashes. Second solution, reset all the settings of your device. This will bring the phone back to its default or factory settings, but none of your files and data will be deleted. It is important that you do this because YouTube is a pre-installed app and it's possible that the problem is with the firmware. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Reset Settings. Tap the Reset Settings button. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Reset. After this, try to see if YouTube still crashes. Third solution, factory reset your phone. A factory reset will fix any app-related issues, as long as the firmware has not been modified in any way. However, before the reset, make sure to create a copy of your files and data as they will be deleted. After the backup, follow these steps to reset your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. After the reset, set up your phone as a new device. I hope that this troubleshooting guide has been able to help you. Please subscribe to our channel, and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.